Welcome to the Soul Garden channel, to give you more options for caring for your anthurium at home. Today, I will share an extremely simple method that anyone can do. With just a few easily found ingredients from your own kitchen and a few gentle steps, you will help your anthurium stay lush, healthy, produce vigorous new shoots, and bloom vibrantly year-round. Let's get started together. To make the fertilizer today, I use 3 tablespoons of rice. The type of rice you use daily is completely suitable. Rice contains a lot of B group vitamins, especially B1 and B3, which are nutrients capable of strongly promoting the development of roots and young leaf shoots, extremely beneficial for anthuriums. Next, I add the rice to 500 milliliters of clean water, stirring well to allow the nutrients in the rice to gradually release into the water. After that, I let this mixture sit for about 1 hour. And here's the result. After 1 hour, the rice water is fully infused with nutrients. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. I will proceed to filter out the rice, keeping only the clear liquid to use as a natural liquid fertilizer. Next, I will dilute the solution with 1 liter of water, making it gentler for the plant to absorb nutrients. This is a nutrient-rich solution that helps stimulate rapid new root growth, makes the leaves glossy and lush, and is especially suitable for plants in the recovery phase or those needing encouragement to develop roots and new shoots. Method 1. After obtaining the nutrient-rich rice water, I will use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to soak up this rice water and wipe each anthurium leaf. Gently wipe each leaf, starting with the upper surface, then moving to the underside of the leaf, as this is where many stomata are located, aiding the plant in photosynthesis and gas exchange. During the wiping process, you are also helping the plant remove dust, fertilizer residue, and small insects clinging to the leaves, factors that can easily cause diseases if left for too long. Not only does it clean, but the rice water also directly provides B group vitamins, especially B1 and B3, which penetrate through the leaf surface, helping the plant strengthen its resistance, grow greener, and become noticeably glossier after just a few wipes. That is very suitable for anthuriums in the recovery phase after repotting enduring prolonged heat or lacking nutrients. Regularly wiping the leaves not only keeps the plant healthy, but also helps you bond with it, making it easier to observe and detect pests or diseases early if present. You should apply this method 1 to 2 times per month, preferably in the cool morning or late afternoon, avoiding wiping during intense sunlight to prevent heat shock to the plant. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Method 2. Next, I will use the filtered rice water to water directly at the base of the anthurium. You can use a small watering can, a spray bottle, or a bottle with a drip nozzle to do this, ensuring the water seeps slowly and evenly into the soil. When watering, make sure the soil surface in the pot is dry or slightly set, avoiding watering when the soil is still too moist to prevent root rot. Rice water contains many B group vitamins, particularly vitamin B1, which stimulates root development, enhances nutrient absorption, and is highly effective for recovering anthuriums that have just been repotted, are weak, or haven't bloomed for a long time. Additionally, the starch and natural minerals in rice water help stimulate beneficial microorganisms in the soil, thereby improving the soil's aeration and moisture retention capacity. With this method, you only need to do it once a week. And note that you should not let the rice water sit overnight, as it may ferment, become sour, and negatively affect the plant's roots. Method 3. The remaining rice water, I will pour into a spray bottle with a misting nozzle like this. You should choose a bottle with a fine mist spray to ensure the water spreads evenly across the leaf surface without forming droplets that could cause waterlogging or damage to young leaves. When spraying, remember to mist both the upper and lower surfaces of each leaf, as the stomata are often located on the underside, helping the plant absorb nutrients quickly and effectively. Rice water not only provides B group vitamins to the leaves, but also helps clean dust, cools the leaf surface, and reduces stress for the plant during hot days. In particular, regular misting also helps prevent some common leaf diseases, keeping the anthurium's foliage glossy, healthy, and less prone to pests. You should apply this method 2 times per week in the early morning or late afternoon, when the sunlight is no longer intense, to avoid causing heat shock to the plant. Results. And here are the results after consistently applying the anthurium care method with rice water that I just shared. You will see the leaves become glossy, thick, and much sturdier. No more yellowing, wilting, or scorching as before. In particular, new roots start growing from the base of the plant, plump and healthy, indicating that the root system is recovering and developing very well. For plants that were previously stunted, weak, or struggling to bloom, you'll now see signs of new shoots, flower buds starting to appear again, and in just a short time, you'll see vibrant anthurium flowers blooming again in your pot. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button to support the channel. Share this video with friends and family, those who are also growing and caring for plants at home. And most importantly, please subscribe to the Soul Garden channel to not miss out on small, simple, yet effective tips to keep your plants lush and healthy year-round. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's video. I'm Soul Garden. See you in the next videos. Goodbye, and wish your garden always full of life.